Hello everybody. Today I am going to take my H&R Pardner Pump 1871 and I am going to remove the stock and I'm going to replace it with a Shockwave Raptor grip. This Raptor grip is for the Remington 870 12 gauge, but the H&R Pardner Pump is a Chinese clone of that, so it should fit perfectly on this H&R as well. So to get started, what you got to do is you got to remove the recoil pad here, and you can see up here there are a couple little rubber plugs. So all you do first is you pop those little plugs out. There's two of them, one at the top, one at the bottom. And that will reveal the screws. It's hard to see, it's kind of dark, but there are some screws in there. You can just use Phillips to undo those. Once you get those off, when I get those off, this recoil pad, these screws are longer than I thought they were. The recoil pad will just pop off there, and you can see that now you can get access to the inside of that. To show you what it looks like down in there, you can see you've got that little screw down there, hex bolt, and you can use either a screwdriver or I believe it's a 9/16 to get that off of there. So I have my screwdriver in there. I'm going to remove that bolt. As I do, you can see it just popping off. And after you get that bolt off, it just pops off, and there you have it. Your stock is off, and you're left with just that. So I'm now going to open the Raptor grip container. This comes with everything you need for the install. Pop right back out there, and you can see right in there, if this will focus, there's your little hex screw, and what you do is you just go ahead and you align this up. You align it up to where it goes, set it on, and you just get that in there and tighten her up. Make sure that the grip is on there aligned nicely. I had to pause the video and make sure it was aligned. But you just tighten it on there. And there you go. The Pardner Pump 1871 with a Raptor grip. The stock has been changed out for this Raptor grip. Takes about, I don't know, I paused the video a few times, but about 7 minutes total. It's not that hard at all. Again, you just pop the two little plugs off of this thing, get the screws off, take the buttstock off, pop the Raptor grip on, and screw it on. There you have it. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you watching. Have a good one.